Earlier this year, I finally decided to do that one thing I was always fascinated about: living in the mountains. Having been born and raised in a city, I was curious to know what it feels like to live amidst nature and to wake up to the views of the mountains every day. And just like that, I booked a one-way ticket to Manali, a small city in North India surrounded by the Himalayas. Having always traveled with tight schedules and pre-planned itineraries, living in a new city by myself without any deadlines was an experience that can't be put into words. I met new people, made new friends, tasted their food, and learned about their culture. But as much as I enjoyed living in the city being one among the locals, the real reason I went on this journey was something else. The mountains. Although I've hiked many mountains before, they always had a magnetic pull on me that I could never explain. I could spend days marveling at its beauty and never get bored. How can I spend so much time looking at the same old mountains? Because the mountains are never the same. Sometimes it's green, sometimes it's white, sometimes it's right there, and sometimes it's out of sight. The clouds that kiss the mountains are never the same. The shadows that the peaks cast are never the same. The music of the wind is never the same. The mountains are never the same. There's some thrill in being in nature by yourself and going to new places like you're a 15th century explorer. I hitchhiked, shared a cab, took a bus, flew, swam, but I mostly walked. Sometimes on grass, sometimes on ice. When you go somewhere as a tourist, you will know what the place looks like on that particular day. But when you travel, you will know what it's like to live in the place. You learn how the place changes with seasons. You will know what food animals eat. You will see what games the children play. So to sum it up, living in an unknown place all by myself has been the best experience of my life so far. Sometimes it may feel scary, and sometimes you may feel lost. But as someone once rightly said, sometimes the only way to find yourself is to completely get lost.